Hey, how's it going? Come here. Come and meet a drinking buddy. Check this dude out. This is Kevin the Kiwi, fellow country person. He wasn't in the original lineup because he's been in isolation. And anyway, he was saying, God, he'd love to go on a holiday. But obviously we can't right now. But what I thought I could do for you guys and Kev is bring a holiday to you in the shape of a bottle of wine. And today's bottled holiday is from a country which is the 5th largest wine producer in Europe, and it's been making the stuff for 6,000 years. I'm taking you to Romania, to the renowned region of the Mare. This is the 2016 jar Dagon Clan, not to be confused with the Woonton clan. Now, this is a clan of 3 winemakers headed up by the mighty Mark Heismer. Anyway, what he's done is he's taken the indigenous grape variety for Tesca Negra. He's picked it slightly early to retain the freshness and expression of that grape. He's then naturally fermented it with a little bit of Pinot Noir in a combination of steel and old oak. Then it's aged for 15 months in Romanian oak. And the key thing about it, only 3,992 bottles of this stuff is made, so get in there quick. Anyway, this wine is all about blueberries. It's got blackcurrant. It's also got this damson angle in there. There's a little bit of licorice weaved in. Sprinkle of spice. Touch of smoke from the oak. It's such a proper, grown-up, classy wine. Can't get enough of it. Anyway, Kev, you got anything to add? You guys, I reckon what you should do is when you crack this wine open, chuck it in a jug or a decanter to give it some air. It's 2016. It's going to love the air time, eh? Kev, such a great tip. Anyway, guys, happy holidays. Drink quality Romanian. And we'll see you around the pool.